Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Hopefully you're having a good day so far. I don't want to talk about mine. Anyways, these are the power tools that I have. This one is actually broken. So one day I will take off this clip and probably put it on this drill right here, because I usually do that when the old tools break. That one I think it just started smoking out or something. Like there was literally smoke coming out of it. So I didn't want to like melt the battery, so I'm not going to use that anymore. But anyways, I have had this brand new set of Milwaukee Fuel 18 volt battery or drills for a long time. So I got this one. I've actually never used that one, I don't think. Actually, maybe I have. It looks a little dirty, but I have used this drill a few times when I had to send this drill back to get serviced and fixed. I've had this fixed about 3 times or something. Really good customer service. Like, I think they like, I don't know, basically grab a box and you print a label and you send it off. I'm pretty sure everything is free for them to fix it while it's under warranty. So that's good if you ever have any problems. But I've had these 2 drills here for a long time. I got a really good deal on them, so I mainly just bought it for the 4.0 batteries, because each of the batteries is like $100 or whatnot. So basically just got the drill set for like maybe like $250 or $300. I forget the exact price, but it was a significant price drop from like a Christmas sale or something. So got a bunch of money off. And then this is a little handle here that you can screw onto the top of the drill for extra support if you're doing like hammer drilling or whatnot, if you don't want the drill to accidentally spin and whip you really hard. But anyways, these are the 3 drills that are actively working, and then I just have the 4 batteries. I have another regular battery in the closet, and these are 4 times the strength, or double the strength. I think these are actually 2.0, so double the strength of life. And then they got the little battery testers right there, so that one's actually dead, needs to be charged. So I really love the Milwaukee style, the Milwaukee tools. Always been a favorite of mine, but these have been sitting at home since at work we have company provided drills, the Makita, and I've been using those, so no need to use my tools while I have company stuff. So I just have these 3 sitting at home, and I can probably actually put this back in the box. I just have this laying in the closet, but I can go ahead and put these back if I can figure it out. So anyways, these are my 3 tools right here, and hopefully you enjoyed. That's all the power tools I have. The only other power tools I've ever had is a Milwaukee Sawzall, not brushless. These 2 are brushless, or the fuel set, and these 2 are brushed. So anyways, I did sell my non-brushed, or my brushed portable Milwaukee Sawzall to my old coworker a few years back. Should have kept it, but honestly I never use it unless I'm building a house or something. So anyways, yep, those are my tools. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like, and don't forget to subscribe. It would help me out, and hopefully you enjoy the content. I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. And I'll probably be going over what tools I use as an electrician, or what power tools I use like at the job site and stuff like that. So if you want to see what other tools in the electrical world we are using, make sure to check that out tomorrow, and unless I change my mind and someone leaves a comment down below over a video that they want me to go over. So that's the plan. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. See you guys tomorrow. God bless. Don't forget to check out the description and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload videos or do live streams. I might be doing some more hangouts before I go back to work, if the corona is ending for me soon because of construction, so starting back up. So anyways, thanks guys for watching. God bless. See you tomorrow. Peace out.